on here to do a unboxing video for the company called Victoria's Moon. They were nice enough to send me what's called a diamond painting kit to review. But today this is the first part of the review. I'm just going to be doing an unboxing video, and later I'll be doing a bit of a tutorial and show you how it works once I figure it out, because I've never done this before. So for now I'm just going to be showing you what came with my kit. So here is the box that it came in. I already got everything out. It says DIY 5D diamond painting. It says best wishes for you. And it's got pretty flowers on the side. And then it has like little pictures on the side kind of showing you how it works. I've already pulled everything out of the box, so I'm just going to kind of show you what came in it. So I've not done this before, so I'm not an expert on what all these tools are, but it has all the tools that you need. This is a copy of your legend. There's also a legend on the actual canvas, but this is an extra paper copy that comes with it. And this is my canvas. This is where your picture will be. I got a 40 by 40 centimeter canvas. It's a decent size, but I didn't want it to be too big, but it's a good size. And then on the side, you can see, here's your legend to follow for the colors for the canvas. And if you can see, it's really small. But there's a little picture, a tiny little picture of what my picture will look like. I ordered, what's it called? It just says it's a dream catcher and wolf. So it's a dream catcher, and I think it has like 2 wolves on it. So that's that. This is the canvas. And then it comes with all these bags of what are called drills. But these are all the, they're called drills, and these are what is going to be put onto your canvas that's going to make up your painting. So these little tiny square drills, I got square drills. You can get square or round, but it sounded like the square drills actually make a better picture. And I was thinking, if like you're going to be picking these up with tweezers and the pen and stuff, I thought like a square would be a little bit easier to work with than a circle. But I could be wrong. I've never done this before. But it did say that it's supposed to make a better picture. So there's just all the different colors that are going to be making up the painting or the picture. If you can see, it's purple. So there are several bags in here. I'm not sure how many. I didn't count them. That come in for the drills. And then you have your tweezers. These are kind of pointy, which is probably good. They're nice and sharp to pick it up, make it easier to pick up. But they do have a little safety thing on here so you don't poke yourself when you're done. And this is your pen. And this is, I think this is wax. This is your wax. And this is your little tray. It's got little ridges on it. To put the drills in here, so the ridges kind of keep them, make it easier to pick them up. And then also they put in this extra little pin. Look how pretty that is. An extra pen that you can use. It comes in this little case. I took it out of the case already. But it's pink, and I love pink. An extra pen that you can use. So that comes in that pretty little case. So like I said, I've not done this before, so I've kind of been trying to look a little bit on how I get the general idea of how it works, but I don't really know what the names of all the pieces are yet. I did not see instructions in the box, but if you go to their website, I just went to the link of the one that I was sent, like the wolf, like my wolf one on their website. They have the instructions on there, so I would imagine that on each, like when you're looking at one of the paintings, I believe below all of them on the website, they're going to have the full instructions on how to do it. So you can look on there and you can print it out if you would like. It said, like, if you scroll down after it gives like the description of everything, it says how to diamond paint, and then it says like part 1, setting up the canvas, and it goes through and tells you what everything is and how it works. So, where'd it go? Oh, and there's also this piece in here. I'm not sure what this is for. It kind of looks like a sticker. So I'm not sure what it's for. It's like a little sticker, and I didn't see it on here that I know of. So I'll have to figure out what that is for. This is just like an unboxing. In another video, I'll show you, like, once I figure it out, I'll show you how it works. When you're working on here, you can kind of put, there is like paper on here. You can peel it back to the section that you're working on. You don't want to peel it off now because it's sticky. So you peel off your little section and you find the section that you're in, and there are numbers that coordinate to the color that's in that section, and each bag has these little numbers on here. So you need to find the color number that goes to that section, and when you find your drills that go in your section, you take your drills and you put a few of them in your little tray, and then I think you take your pen and you dip it in the wax, and then you use the wax to stick to your drill, and you take your drill and you put it on its spot in the painting. And then you can use your tweezers if you drop anything or to help adjust it. And then this end of your pen is like, you can kind of use it to straighten up like the lines in your painting. Like once you put them on there, like a row, you can kind of like push the row together to make it tight. So like I said, I've not done it, but I believe that's a general idea of how it works. So you should go and check out their website. It's really cool. They have a huge selection of paintings and they look very pretty. They have a lot of really nice paintings on there. And even just, I picked like a wolf painting, but they have several of the wolf, and they have several different types of paintings. They have, I don't know, a lot of paintings on there. So I would definitely check out the website, and I actually have a discount code below for 10% off, and it does not expire, so you can use it on more than one purchase if you would like. So definitely you should check out their website and just look and see if there's anything that you like. I saw a lot of them on sale too, so if you want to try one that's on sale. Yeah, so this is everything that came in the kit. It looks like it comes with everything that you need to do your painting, so that's nice. You don't have to buy anything. Everything comes that you will need. So that's everything that came in my kit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much to Victoria's Moon for sending me this kit to try out. It looks really cool, so I'm excited to get started on it. You guys check out all the links for them below, their website, and don't forget the discount code. Check out all my social media links below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you like this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.